What's up everyone, today we're reviewing Airdroid Parental Control, a monitoring app claiming to help keep your kids safe online. But does it actually work, or is it just invasive surveillance that doesn't protect anyone? Let's break it down. So Airdroid is a legitimate parental control app available on both Android and iOS that lets parents monitor their child's device activity. The app offers location tracking, screen time limits, app blocking, website filtering, and daily usage reports. You should install it on your child's device and monitor everything from your own phone or web browser. Some of its key features: it has real-time location tracking with geo-fencing alerts when kids enter or leave specific areas, app and website blocking with one-click controls, screen time management and downtime scheduling, activity monitoring including calls, messages, and app usage, remote view of the child's device screen, alerts for suspicious activity or inappropriate content. Does it actually protect your kids? Here's an honest answer. AirDroid provides monitoring and control tools, but protection depends on how you use it. The app is generally considered easy to use with a robust feature set. Users report it works well for setting app limits and tracking location. However, there are some limitations. Some features like surround recording can be hit or miss. They don't always work reliably, especially with weak internet connections. One user noted that there is no way to limit overall screen time on iPhone devices monitored from Android, only specific app limits and downtime. Here's the reality check. Parental control apps are tools, not magic shields. They can help you monitor and limit device usage, but they don't replace actual parenting conversations about online safety. Your child can potentially find workarounds, use friends' devices, or access content through unmonitored channels. The most effective digital safety comes from combining monitoring tools with open communication, teaching digital literacy, and building trust with your children. Now for its pros and cons. Its pros include having comprehensive features for monitoring and controlling device usage, user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. It has real-time location tracking that works reliably. It can manage multiple children's devices from one account, and a web dashboard that allows monitoring from any browser. It is cost-efficient compared to its competitors, starting at $9.99 a month. However, it has some cons. Some features are unreliable with poor internet connection. It can feel overly invasive if not balanced with trust and communication. Tech-savvy kids may find workarounds, and it requires installation on a child's device. They'll likely know it's there. iPhone monitoring from Android has limitations on screen time controls. The final verdict? Yes, it's legitimate. It is a functional parental control app with solid features, but does it protect your children? It can help you monitor and limit device usage, but real protection comes from combining this tool with communication, education, and trust building. It's worth it for parents of younger children or those who need basic monitoring, not a substitute for actual parenting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.